So my name is Mark Cooper and I'm the project lead for Bank Cambria, which will be Wales's first and only mutually owned bank for the whole of the country. And the reason we're here is because the big banks are letting us down. The problem is that they don't care. They're leaving us, they're leaving our communities, and they're making it very difficult for people to be able to bank in an everyday fashion that they used to do. People are increasingly have to drive further to get to banks, and we can solve it with Bank Cambria. We don't have to rely on big shareholders extracting money out of our economy, because when they extract it, it goes for good. When we keep it here, it can recirculate, it can be part of a catalyst of change for our communities. You think, we can do this now. Do we need other powers to be doing it? And my response to that is quite simple. This is about an independence of spirit. This is about taking control of things. Because the thing we know is that the UK, as an entity, isn't solving the problems that we've got in our communities. And this could be part of it, and I think it will be.